Misty, and I'm here with Jake today.
And Jake. They said Misty wasn't offering enough pizzazz, so here I am.
That's it. Jazz.
Let's go.
That's right. I love it, babe. All
It
right.
is Christmas season.
That's right. And we love Christmas. So
Day 5.
It's day 5. Let's see what we have inside.
5 golden rings.
All
No,
right, babe.
no, not quite.
Ooh,
Here she blows.
you found it. And then I give it one of these.
Oh
Yes.
my, this is fun. This looks cool. I haven't seen this. Ooh, okay.
These are much beloved, these mugs. This one's so cute. So if you've been doing the Countdown to Christmas box for a few years, this is probably getting one step closer to completing your collection.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, adorable. This one says, "Sewing mends the soul." It's so cute.
Yeah, that's awesome. And then it's got a nice little, what,
It's a star
pattern?
block.
A star block on the back.
Exactly. Really, really cute. So now you can cozy up with your cup of cocoa or coffee or tea, whatever your heart desires. And
You're ready for the season.
you're ready for the Christmas season and to have a great day. So we'll see you guys soon.
Yep, happy holidays.